So, are you someone who struggled with sparse eyebrows? Then this video is for you. So here I am going to cover both the skincare and the makeup part. So if you are considering to grow the eyebrows and have like a fully filled one, then consider adding our clear brow gel to yours, because here it is not only hold its shapes, but also it has an ingredient called Capixel, which will help to grow your eyebrows when you wear them. And this ingredient is also present in our mascaras too, so that way you will see results when you use them regularly. So that's a one product as a part of skincare. When you use it, you are just going to scrape the excess out, and you just need very tiny amount, I would say. And the way you will apply is you will apply from bottom to up. That way you are coating the roots really well. And you can, once you do, you will just comb it through and make them in a proper shape. That way they are going to hold its shape and also stay well. And as I said, it's going to help grow the eyebrows in the course of time. So this is your first step. When you want to fill your eyebrows, there are 2-3 ways that you can do with Senegens. So the first one will be obviously our Brosense cream product, which comes with the applicator brush itself. So this is your first one you can use, but you can also use our Essence pencil to fill your eyebrows, and also you can use black or rustic brown kind of a brown shade to fill your eyebrows too. So let's go ahead and see how you can do that. The Brosense also comes with our Senaplex complex. So even though this is a makeup product, this again going to have your skincare benefits in it to help faster cellular turnover. This brush is a soft bristle, and you can see it's an angled one, but it's little thicker. If you feel like you have even thinner brows, then you can use a brush like this. You will be able to find it outside. You can see it's even more thin, and you will be able to do it precisely too. So I'm going to show how I like to do. I like the darkest color, which is the black brown. Previously I used to do rustic brown or onyx shadow sense colors, but this way it really helps to fill in the brows easily, because this is more mousse texture, I would say. That really helps for filling it so easily. So the first step will be, you will obviously comb it and make it in a straight line. That way you can see what is your like a lower end and also upper line clearly. And just touch a product very lightly, and you are going to just draw like a outline, so that you can fill it in later. So you can start anywhere, but draw like a outline for the toppest the most curvy part for your eyebrow, and from there you will just bring it down. So I'm just outlining where I need to fill in. Do you see? Now I have the outer structure. Similar way, I'm going to do it on the top part too. When you start doing it, you are going to do it very gently and slowly. But once you have the practice, then you will be able to fill in faster. Anything and everything with makeup comes with practice, and in a matter of time, then you will be able to do it really nice. Do you see? I just have outlined it. So now it makes it easy for me just to go and fill in the sparse areas. You can see I always have a sparse area there, and I'm just going to fill it in. And once it sets, it's again a cream to powder, and it's again an all-day wear product, so it's not going to budge or do anything. And if you are new, and if you have come outside a little bit, always have like a Q-tip where you can just clean out the outer edges and you can see I have come a little bit out here. I will just clean it up. That's all. So this is how you're going to fill in. I have a little bit over here where I need to fill. And when it comes to the front, you are going to turn the brush this way where the hairlines point to, and that way you can just do small lines, so you can make sure you fill them in that way. And I always like to go back with my brush, that way it makes it look more natural. And that's all it is. Like, it's not going to take a lot of time. If you're someone who started to do eye looks, then having a filled eyebrows will make really nice. I'm going to do the other side with a little bit of onyx and the pencil. Onyx, just for you to see how multiple ways you can use it. So here again I'm using a pointy brush. Before you start, always make sure you comb your hair really well. That way you see where the lower line is. That really helps to fill the eyebrows faster. So I'm just going to touch it a little bit. Here you don't need a lot, and make sure you draw the line very little at a time, and you come here, and from there I'm going to point it down and just fill the eyebrows. So do you see? Here I'm just doing the outline so that I can show. You can use rustic brown. If you have even lighter, you can do smoke topaz. I will also post the colors you can use, and also the colors that you can use from the newer Brosons too. So whenever you come to the front, always make sure you fill in when you turn it this way, and just fill it in, because the eyebrow hair here is not this way. It's always point to the straight line one. So let's go ahead and fill it with the pencil. Here you can fill it with onyx itself, or you can do rustic brown. I used to do rustic brown, but I think even in one of my videos I have mentioned it that using onyx is like more of a mindset for me, because I have never done this kind of a bold eyebrow, but slowly my mind started to adjust to it. Anytime when you do a new look, it's more to do with your mindset rather than how it is. By doing the pencil, similar way, you will just take it from here. Since this is a cream product, this really works, and then you'll be able to fill with the pencil. So it's all the same. It's just your preference on how you want to do or what works for you. These two, as I said, these are little what do you say, more of a Shadowsons, and pencils are more easy, they set fast, whereas this is more of a mousse consistency. So if you're a beginner, it still gives you time for you to finish it before it sets, whereas here they are already little little on the drier side, so that way you don't have any setting time, so you need to be little precise on how you want to do. So I always like to just comb it through. Once you do, that is going to spread the product evenly. You can see they are almost the same. So here I have used black brown, which is the Brosons. Here I have mixed pencil and the onyx eyeshadows. It's they always say your eyebrows are sisters, they are not twins, so anybody will not get the proper shape. You cannot replicate the same shape unless it is. So you just follow the natural curve and just try to outline it, and that way you will have a proper shape for that. And as I said, everybody's face shape differs, everybody's eyebrows will differ. So based on that, you will slowly start to just fill it in. And if you need any help with that, make sure you ping me. We can even do like a video call, and that way I can teach you how to do it. But I hope this helps, and you all have a wonderful day.